Welcome to Business Reality Check, where we explore real business ideas beyond the hype. In every episode, we break down the investment process, profits, challenges, and opportunities to help you make informed business decisions. Let's discover the reality behind every business. Plastic bags are disappearing, and eco-friendly paper bags are becoming the preferred choice for shops, restaurants, and supermarkets. But can you turn this growing demand into a profitable business? Let's find out. A paper bag manufacturing business converts craft paper into strong, reusable bags. So these bags are supplied to grocery stores, clothing shops, bakeries, pharmacies, gift stores, and many other businesses. The process starts with craft paper. The paper is cut to the required size, printed with the customer's logo if needed, folded into shape, glued securely, and fitted with handles if required. Finally, the bags are packed and delivered to customers. A small-scale setup may require an investment of around 2 to 5 lakh rupees. This includes a paper bag making machine, raw materials, printing equipment if needed, and working capital for day-to-day operations. Profit depends on the size, design, and quantity of the order. Large bulk orders from businesses can provide steady income, while custom printed bags usually offer better profit margins because customers are willing to pay more for branding. The best customers are local businesses that use paper bags every day. Visit nearby shops, bakeries, restaurants, gift stores, and supermarkets. Building long-term relationships with regular buyer is often more valuable than chasing one-time orders. Like any business, there are challenges. Raw material prices can change, competition may be strong, and maintaining consistent quality is essential. So success depends on efficient production, reliable delivery, and excellent customer service. Paper bag manufacturing is a promising business with growing demand. While it requires planning, quality control, and customer relationships, it can become a sustainable and profitable venture for entrepreneurs willing to put in the consistent effort. Thank you for watching Business Reality Check. If this video helped you understand a business better, do like, share, and subscribe for more practical business insights. Tell us in the comments which business you would like to review next. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and build your future with confidence.